Hi everyone. So instead you'll learn how you can edit multiple lines in VS Code using multiple cursor functionality, or you can also say the multi-cursor functionality. It will help you in editing multiple lines at the same time. Let me show you how you can do so. So as you can see, I've opened the VS Code already and I got a JavaScript file here. Now, if I want to change this const to let in all these three lines, I simply need to press Alt key on my Windows. In case you are using Mac, it should be options. Then simply click like this. Now I can simply make it let. After doing so, you need to press escape key and we are done. In a similar way, you can see I got a couple of lines here. And if I want to change the numbers, for example, the first one, then I want to change this one, the fourth one, and let's go with the last one. I want to make them same. So in that case, I'll make it 6 and I'm done. Also, in case you want to select the words which are similar, for example, in this case, the hello world, I want to select all these hello words. For that, I need to press Control plus Shift and L key. Now I can make it high. So I hope you understood how to use multi-cursor functionality in VS Code Editor to edit multiple lines. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.